right. That was an amazing discussion. It is always wonderful to get Dr. Shetta up on stage, and having Andrew join us was a great way for us to really bring a lot of these discussion points forward. And I always love hearing about their online escapades with the feedback they get. Now, I'm very pleased and honored to have one of our local nonprofit partners joining with us. We have the Central Texas Allied Health Institute, and this is Dr. Jerica Thomas Hockaday.
Hi. Hi, everybody. Good afternoon.
And this is an organization that we have worked with the last few years. It's been really great for us to partner with them in numerous ways around food. But Jerica, tell us a little bit about the organization and what y'all do, because it's not really food focused.
No, we are a healthcare training organization, nonprofit healthcare training organization. We work with students in poverty to diversify the healthcare space and help folks get out of poverty and into the middle class.
So y'all work with them. They're able to learn new skills, learn a new profession, enter that workforce. Now, one of the things that we've worked with y'all on is the food access, because a lot of the students are, like we said, they're entering into a new profession. That's a lot of work. A lot of these folks have families. How is food and food access, how have y'all seen that impact the students that y'all work with?
Well, I think that Chef took a lot of what I was going to say away. Everything that he said is the personification of what I have seen in our student population. Folks can't learn if they're hungry, and they're worrying about their kids being hungry. And it has been an amazing partnership, because the thing that they ask for is housing first, and the second thing is food. And we have prepared meals brought to the campus 3 days a week, if I remember correctly, I'm sorry. And the students are always talking about how this is a lifesaver. It saves them time. They can concentrate on their work. They can make sure the kids are fed and bathed and ready to go to bed, and they can work and spend the time concentrating on their studies.
Yep, and that allows them to be successful. Well, so I want to make sure people know where they can go to find out more about the Central Texas Allied Health Institute. But first, y'all also have a scholarship that started last year with a very special partner. Is that right?
Yes. So we ran a COVID-19 clinic for about 3 years over in East Austin. The clinic was featured on the 6th season of Queer Eye. Thank you. After that, our partnership with Jonathan Van Ness materialized, and we now have a scholarship fund in their name.
That's amazing. All right, so where can people find out more about Central Texas Allied Health Institute?
You can go to www.ctahi.org. There's a nice big donate button up there, since we are a nonprofit organization and everything you give is tax deductible. All donations go into our scholarship fund.
And we can find y'all on Instagram as well?
Yes, Instagram is CTAHIATX.
Awesome. Thank you so much for joining us. We love the work that you and your team do in the community, and we're thrilled to have you here and be able to share with everyone who's watching online some of the amazing groups that are changing the way that people live in Austin. Thank you.
Thank you.